Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to discuss how social work students can structure their assignments. As a social work student, you're expected to write assignments that are well structured, clear and concise. I'll be drawing on my experiences as a social work academic to guide you through the process of structuring your assignments so that you can receive the best possible grades. So let's begin. Before you start the assignment, make absolutely sure you're clear about what you're being asked to write about. Read the instructions carefully and note down the key points. This will help you to structure your assignment effectively. To do this, you'll need to identify the key questions that need to be answered and any particular requirements such as the word count or referencing style. Once you've understood the assignment brief, the next step is to create an outline. This outline will serve as a roadmap for your assignment and help you stay organised. Start by identifying the main points you want to cover, then break them down into subpoints or supporting details. As you develop your outline, prioritise your ideas in order of importance. This will help you ensure that you are addressing the most important points first and will also help you avoid repeating yourself. This outline of your assignment will help you to organise your thoughts and ideas and ensure that your assignment flows logically. When you create your outline, make sure it includes an introduction, a main body and a conclusion. Your introduction is important because this is the first impression of your assignment. It should be concise, clear and engaging. It should grab your reader's attention and provide a brief overview of what they can expect to learn from your assignment. You should provide the reader with an overview of the topic and the key points that you'll be discussing. Your introduction should end with a thesis statement, which is a clear statement of the argument that you're going to be developing in the assignment. The main body of your assignment should include several paragraphs, each addressing a different point. Each paragraph should begin with a clear topic sentence that introduces the point that you'll be making. You should also provide evidence to support your points and link these back to your assignment argument. It's critical to make sure you use academic sources such as textbooks, journal articles, reports, and so on to back up your arguments. If the assignment brief allows, make sure you use headings and subheadings to break up your assignments into sections. This will make it easier for your reader to follow along and will also help you stay focused on one topic at a time. Also, make sure you use transitional phrases between paragraphs to connect your ideas and make your assignment flow smoothly. This will help your reader follow your thought processes and will also help you stay on track. Your conclusion should summarise the key points you've made in your assignment. It should also restate the main assignment argument and provide a final thought or reflection. Your conclusion should be concise and clear. The conclusion should also summarise your main points and leave your reader with a clear understanding of your overall message. Once you've finished writing your assignment, it's really essential that you edit and proofread it. This means checking for spelling and grammar errors, ensuring that your assignment flows logically and all references are correctly included and formatted and that your arguments are clear and concise. In conclusion, learning how to correctly structure an assignment is essential for social work students. Understanding the assignment brief, creating an outline, writing a clear introduction and main body, and summarising your key points in the conclusion, you can ensure that your assignment is well structured and easy to read. Remember to edit and proofread your work carefully to ensure that it's error-free. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more social work tips and advice. Do let me know if you found these tips helpful by leaving a comment in the section below. I'll also try to add some resources in the section below that you might find helpful. Well, thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.